We are rarely given the truth. What we get are shadows and fragments, and from the pieces we have to make the best guess. Philosophers sometimes refer to this as the inference to the best explanation, the idea that we should believe whatever best fits the facts available to us. It's not deduction and it's not certainty, it's just the best that we have. Imagine that every time you walk past a certain point, the street light flickers on, and so you assume that it must have some kind of motion detector. Of course, it could just actually be random luck, but the point is we infer what seems the most likely, not what's definitely true. The philosopher Charles Peirce Sanders called this abduction, and he thought it was essential to how we navigate the world. It's how science progresses, how detectives solve cases, and how we understand one another. We are constantly constructing stories to make sense of what we observe. But of course, what you and I call the best fit might not actually be the best. They are defined by our underlying beliefs, and this is where confirmation bias creeps in. Suppose, for example, that you see a sudden flash in the sky. Being incredibly modern, you think it's a plane or maybe a shooting star. But if you lived 5,000 years ago, you might think it an omen for the gods. Both are best fit explanations, but one is better than the other. So we can use abduction but use it carefully because we don't just interpret the evidence, we also manipulate and invent it.